Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create and save Chrome tab groups. And right now, what do I mean by tab groups? Basically, if you can see on my Chrome right now, this is gonna be a blank Google Chrome, right? And you're gonna see on the top section, I have a bar right there, one for Google and one for car. So tab groups are basically organizational features that are new in Google Chrome. If I click on the car option, I'm gonna have these tabs right here. For the Google, I'm gonna have those tabs right there. Also, I have them right here, so whenever I go log in on my Google account, I can now access this one wherever I am. Now, how does it work basically? It helps you organize your stuff, and that's it. Now, how to do this one? So I'm just gonna open up a blank Google Chrome here without the Google tabs here, so I can take it step by step. Now, welcome back to the video. Right now I have here, I think 7 tabs for you guys. I have 2 categories. For the first 4, this is all about basketball. For the last 3, this is all about foods. Now, how can I differentiate or categorize each one of them? So starting from the first one, you need to know which one are which. Basically, which are for the basketball, which are for the food. And then align them all together. And then next step, select them. So please hold your control key. Again guys, let me just pull out my notepad here so you guys can see it, what I mean. That will be control key. This one right here on your keyboard, hold it, and then select the ones that are associated with one another. In my end, I have this 4 basketball tabs all together. Once you have selected them using the control key, right click on the last one, and look for add tabs to group. As you can see, I already have 2. This is basically the first one from earlier. So I'm gonna click on new group right there. Name this one basketball. Since they're all about basketball, choose a color. And basically, I have successfully added them up. As you can see, I have a basketball tab right there. Let's do it for the group for the food one. Same drill, add tabs to group, new group, and this is gonna be called food. Now I'm gonna call this green. Basically, that's it. I have successfully changed it from basketball and food. It helps me organize my stuff here, so it's not cluttered so much. So as you can see right there, it's pretty awesome. Now for example, you're not seeing this on your end because you need to enable something first. So go to Chrome Labs. As you can see right here, this is the link. And if I click on enter right now, I'll be here. Basically, this is gonna be the Chrome flags, and I have a video about this one, so please check it out. Now what you need to search here is basically tabs, and you're gonna see here tab groups. Basically, this is the new feature. Before it was only called tab group save. Now it has sync version 2, okay? Now make sure this is enabled. And once that's enabled, you'll be good to go. Now what do I mean by that? Now if this is enabled, you can now successfully save and organize your group, much like this two right here. And then if you right click on them, you can save the group there. They're gonna be under your bookmark. Same as the car and the Google. So whenever I close my Chrome, let me just close it. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, as you can see, I have removed all my tabs here. And as you can see right there, with one click of a button, I can now open them up. Everything all together. Easy as that. So for the food, let's open up the food. So we have car, we have food, and we have Google. Now for some reason, you're not seeing this bookmark bar right there. This one right here. For some reason, you're not seeing it. Now to fix this one, go in the 3 dots right there. Go to settings. Now once you're in settings, go to appearance. Under appearance, you have show bookmarks bar. If this is disabled, you're not gonna see them. So make sure this is enabled. And basically, you have seen them right there. Now for some reason, you want to change the name, of course. You can just simply right click and rename this. Let me just call it sample tutorial box, something like that. Change the color. I can do so, and then I'm good to go. Of course guys, you can also ungroup them, close the group, or basically delete them. Of course, you can also group or move your group to another window. For example, if I delete this one with one click of a button, I have successfully deleted the car group. It's also deleted here. Same goes with this one. As you can see, it's still on the group bar. If I delete this one, it will be permanently removed on the upper left section. Easy as that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.